Today we are going to know about very easy and very useful software. It's called Ice Cream Video Editor. It is an easy to use for free video editing software, and it enables you to edit videos, create new videos. You can combine videos, you can add photos in very few minutes. You can trim the videos, you can cut the videos. Suppose, say for example, if suppose there is a video and if you don't want some of the part of that video, you can cut that too. You can blur the video, you can speed up the video, you can rotate that video. Whatever you want to do with that video, you can change the background also of that video. For this, what we have to do, first of all we have to go to Google, and then in Google we have to search, we have to click here Ice Cream Video Editor. Now here this is video editor. Just click here. Just wait, add internet is slow. We have to wait, we have to be patient. See, after opening this, it shows video editor free download. We have to click on free download and we have to download it. As I have already downloaded it, I'm not going to download it again. So we have to click here, we have to download it, and after downloading we have to install this software. Let me show you how it will show after installing. It will show like this one. So I'm going to click it. So just double click here after installing. Look, it is going to open now. This is the surface which I did earlier. Let me erase this. Let me erase all. Yes, it will be appeared like this. Let me tell you how to add videos. Now let me tell you about this software. We can add files by clicking here. I'm sure that you are able to see this mouse cursor. Let me go for some drawing here. So this is add files. We can add files by using this. We can add color in this slide. See, for example, this is for adding videos, this is for adding photos, this is for adding music. We can add music, and this is the surface how we have to see. Let me add some of the video files here. Let me click on add file first of all. So add files, we have some of the videos. These are my videos. These are some of the videos. Let us see. Let me tell you, if suppose you want to merge two videos, first of all what we have to do, we have to click here. Again, if you want another one, you can select both. So I'm selecting both here. Both the videos are selected over here. Now see, and importing. Now it is, they are imported. So now we have to merge both the videos. See, I am selecting it, just drag it here by your mouse cursor and leave it. Again take the second one and drag it here. Okay, second is also dragged. Now both the videos are dragged. If suppose you want to tell about your videos, what is it about, click on add color. Now let us take white. So I am taking white, click on white and add. So it is added, and keep it here. So now it will be your information, and we have to show the information. Click on text, right here, what is the video about. Let me write video on language introduction. Okay, now this is over. Now this is the position where do you want this particular writing, whatever you have written here. If you want it in between, so click here. If you want at the top of the here, at the top, you have to click here. If you want it on the lower part, you have to click here. Now let us say I want it here in between. Let's see how it shows. If I will start, it will appear like this. Just a minute, let me tell you, let me go for it. See, and this is the color. Which color do you want to take? This is if you click on cowboy, your whatever the writing is there, whatever the title is there, the title will show like this. If you click on this berry, your title will be show like this. You can drag here and you can go for another one like Night King, like Magic, it will show like that. Like Wild, that will show like that. If you click on book, it will show like that also. If you click on Vertigo, Wild West, it will be like that. There are some other, you can choose according to your own choice. Now let me click Magic and done. So now if suppose after this, now this 0.004, it means this will be appear on this particular video for 4 seconds. If you want to increase this, you can increase by clicking over here. You can go for 5 seconds, you can go for 6 seconds, 7 seconds, according to your choice. Let us select it for 5 seconds. Now after this particular title, if I want merger, so let us see, let us take this wipe. So after selecting it, what will happen, let me show you. See the video. Look, this has been happened. Now if suppose if I take this pixelate, now let us see what happened after just open it and see, you will see how the effect will be there. Now this effect will be there, and if you don't want it, you can take it side from left, so it will be open from side from left. Let us open. See, so this is the very
I'm Gilda Bonanno.
beautiful thing here over here. Suppose, say for example, now this is Jonah. Say for example, this lady's name is Jonah, for example Jane. So let us introduce lady. Click on text, like here, Dr. Jane. So look, Dr. Jane is appeared. Now take this name here below part, Dr. Jane, and let us take this one, Dr. Jane, and it will be for, it is speed means for how many minutes it will be there shows, and this font size you can increase your font size by clicking over here. If you want your font size small, just click here and you can decrease it too. Click done. Now look how it will be appear. Let me open it. Let me start it. Look, it says
I'm Gilda Bonanno. Welcome to today's presentation.
So it is very beautiful. Now we have two videos over here. This one for 4 minutes and 21 seconds, and this is for 4 minutes. Now this is a different video,
So this might surprise you, but
and this is different video, but we are going to merge both the videos. Suppose you want one separator here, you can go for site from laptop. It will be open, it will be shown like this. Let me show you how it will
Go ahead and follow these tips. It will be easier for you to be effective in those situations where you have to introduce yourself quickly in 10 seconds or less. Thanks for listening. I'm Gilda Bonanno. For more presentation skills tips, visit my website, www.gildabonanno.com. See you next time.
see how it will be
so this might
opened. Suppose if you don't want it, you can take a separator also. Just click on add color, whatever the color you want, select, click add, and now bring this color here, and you can write here by just clicking on text, right, video number 2. Now we want this here, so video number 2, you can change it by clicking here, whatever the font you want and whatever the size you want. If you want big size, just click here. If you want it more speed, means it will be for 1 second, you click here, over here it will be 2 seconds, it will be for 3 seconds, like that, and click on done. Now let us see how this will appear over there. See, so in this way you can use separator also. If you don't want separator, just click here and just delete it. If you want separator, you can give the separator, otherwise you can merge both the videos. Now say for example all the things are over, and you want to merge this, just you have to click export video. With this, if you want one silent music over here, so you can, what you can do, just click here music icon, add files, go to the music section where your music is kept. Say for example this is mp3 file, click open. Now this is your music file. Now this music file will be here, appeared here. This is music file. Okay, now as this is for 1 minute and 48 seconds, so it will be for there. If you want the same music over here, you can again go for it, you can again go for another one. If it is not sufficient, you can go for another one, or you can click more mp3 files also, more file too. Now let us see how it look. This is how it works. After that, if you don't want it, just click here and remove it, and you can export it like this. Just click here, export video. You can rename the file. Just give the name as introduction. You can select the path where you want to save it just click desktop. Now it will be saved in desktop. In which format you want, MP4 or WEBM? So generally we go for MP4. Just click on MP4. Which resolution you want, HD, full HD, quad HD or 4K. So click HD here, and which type of quality you want, low, medium, high, ultra. So click low. I'm just selecting low because space problem, and click on export. Now it is going to make video, edit video. It will be edited automatically, and it will be saved. We have to wait for that. Just wait for some moment. And this estimated time shows that within this particular time this process will be completed, and after completing it we will be able to watch that complete video. Now it is completed, the process is over. It will ask you where do you want to save it. You can save it directly to Google Drive, you can save it to YouTube, you can go for a Dropbox also, or otherwise you can go for open folder. Now see, here our video is saved. This is introduction that we have given the name. Now let us open that video. So this is the video. This is the name we have given.
I'm Gilda Bonanno. Welcome to today's presentation skills tip, how to introduce yourself quickly. First, prepare maybe the first time all the time when you're up straight so your voice
You, but one of the most amazing feats you will ever, and somehow you're able to figure amazing feats
where you have to introduce yourself. For more presentation skills tips, www.gildabonanno.com. See you next time.
See, now the separator will come here. This is the separator we had given, continuously showing here. Now the next video will be started. This is the next video.
So this might surprise you.
So in this way you can combine the videos, 2, 3, 4, 5, so many, whatever the quantity is, and that videos can be combined over here by using this Ice Cream video editor software. Friends, there is another one tool of this. Say for example, this is for 4 minutes and 21 seconds. If you don't want some part, so you can trim it. Just go for trim. Say for example, if you don't want this this part, you don't want this part also, so you have trimmed this 25 seconds and this 10 seconds and click done. Automatically size will be decreased. Look, before that it was 4 minutes and something second, now it is 3 minutes and 45 seconds. So in this way you can trim unwanted part of your video, and then you can go for export. So in this way you can trim the part, you can crop some of the part. Say for example, there is a crop, so you can crop it. You can crop, select crop. So if you don't need, you can go for like this. If you want to focus only this part, you can go for this like this also, or you can just click scale to fit. Automatically it will be fitted over here. If you click here crop, so you can crop this to this side and this side too. In this way you can crop this video. Hope you understood it, and hope you will try to go for this. Thank you. I hope you understood. Thank you very much.